Guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry for my audio back there. I lost voice, but I couldn't miss out on greeting you all. So today we are going to make something very exciting, something very delicious. Are you ready to dive into it with me? So yes, we are making fried rice. Which fried rice? Just stay and watch. First off, besties, let me introduce you to my ingredients. I have some rice, some peas, some French beans, some grasshoppers. Yes, I say grasshoppers. Yes, it's exciting. Stay on. Some corn, some dried herbs for that earthiness. And yes, let's get right into it. Our pan, I put your pan on the gas cooker, let it heat up, then add your oil. As soon as your oil is ready, add in your onions. Remember, you chop them nicely, mix them up. Guys, we are making fried rice, so we know we need a bit of crunch in every vegetable. So as soon as your onion sweats up a bit, add in your carrots and your French beans. Yes, now let this, because you added this in because they take longer to cook, but also don't overcook. You know, we still need a bit of, I don't know if you like it the same. So yes, I give the carrots and French beans like 3 minutes, and then I went in with my peppers. Now as soon as I go with my peppers, I do not waste any time. I'm going to go in with my corn right there, because I really need a bite of each of these things. Yes, that's fried rice. I mean, come on. So yes, mix this properly. Now yes, as soon as you add in these things, you're giving them a good mix. Please add in your grasshoppers. Yes, I say grasshoppers. Have you tried this? If you have not tried it, please sit back, relax, and before you judge me, please try it out. You might end up loving it, you know. Yes, some of you come and, you know, oh, you can't do that, that's not. Just try it out. You might be surprised. Remember, we're cooking all this on high heat so that we keep our vegetables sweet, nice, and crunchy. Now add in your rice. If you did not see my rice recipe, how to come up with nice and fluffy rice like this, please check it out and don't miss out, because yes, this recipe needs that fluffy rice, you know. So the rice is so nice and fluffy. As you can see, separate grains. I added it in there, mix it up. Remember, because we're cooking on high heat, everything has to go so fast. I added in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I used dark soy sauce, yes. I also went in there, so mix this nicely, let it meet its brothers and sisters in there of flavor. So yes, I also added in some oyster sauce. And guys, this is a game changer. This is so nice. But if you do not have it, yes, you can go without it. But I advise, if you have it, guys, get the full package of flavor and just enjoy this. I used a tablespoon of oyster sauce. So yes, please mix this nicely, give it a nice stir so that the flavors get to, you know, to meet each other, to greet each other and bond. Yes, now I'm going to add in a bit of earthiness with the dry herbs that give you a kick. Oh, these are so nice. I added them in there, and yes, as you can already guess, I can do without Royco cubes or stock cubes or Maggi cubes. Any cubes that you have, stock cubes, guys, they are packed with so much flavor, so don't leave that out. And as you noticed, I did not use a lot of salt because the rice has salt, and all these soy sauce, oyster sauce, all these things have soy sauce in them. Okay, there I am testing. No one gets me, you know, no one catching me testing, guys. It was so nice. Please try it out. Come back and watch. Oh, thank you. Bye.